fun, huh?
Yeah. A little fight. Don't want to take a picture with it, Dad?
I'm getting video here.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
Then I'm good.
It was unbelievable how hard he hit it. Yeah, we need to stay here for a while. This old school.
I'll go front and get a picture.
You toss a bait fish that's really alive right into the mangrove roots. And they hang out in there along the shoreline. Or they hang out under docks.
Okay.
Mine was 40 inches long and 20 pounds.
Okay.
And the guide that was with me said, and he was sincere, he wasn't bully, he was very young, said he had never seen a larger one caught.
Oh, really?
We did it.
Yeah, your dad was the only one that caught anything worth taking a picture of.
This was a pretty good one.
Why like this?
Sorry, drink. Really good. Would he hold me down with bags and eat everyone else's fries on the way home, and then claim the one with the most flat fries?
Oh, yeah.
That would have been good.
Doesn't get any better than that.
What I know.
Want to put them on here?
Yeah, I'm going to hang on to that because I'd rather burn my own hand. Watch out now. Yeah. That oil's really, really hot. There you go.
Good eater.
Yeah, if we...
He's a fighter.
That's very good, Dad.
Good eater. Whoa. That's a perfect eater. That's probably 16.
That's a nice fish, Tim.
As my professional guide takes hold of the
I'm
fish,
getting you out over the top of them.
the
Frank's taking over the fish. Once it gets to the net, you're done.
Burns brothers have hired the famous Orlichka team as professional guides. Frank's got the dirty job.
He's co-captain.
Yeah. And
Well, you're catching them though. They won't have to edit the video footage here, Tim.
perfect.
They'll just show it in real time and.
Perfect. Yeah, and don't be fooled. We didn't have any other team hook that.
How long, Frank?
17 and a half.
Acres.
He's
I don't want
right
to get him
here.
in
He's right
there.
here. He's
How
right
big is he?
I don't, not that big. Good eater, I'd say.
Oh boy. We should have pulled yours out.
Yeah, we'll get him.
Got him back.
We'll get him. I got the spot anchor
Come
going.
on out.
Real big.
Don't lose him. Don't horse him.
He's
Don't horse him.
fighting harder than.
I think it's the northern.
Mark the spot. We want to be back.
I think we're right on our waypoint, aren't we?
We are. This is a bigger fish. This feels he's fighting harder than that big one I caught today.
This could be a mounting fish, Tim.
I had a great
Wow, I don't know about that.
Pressure's on, Tim.
Oh man, you are the net man. Don't let him down, Bertie.
Well, I didn't want to have a reaction from last time. That was nice.
Oh, lost him.
Oh man.
Tim, where's that?
Oh, a nice fish. Nice eater. Nice eater.
Look at that gold, Tim. Whose line do I got?
Hold on, don't move.
That's a good one.
Did you throw out the other boy? No, you didn't.
No, I got it still.
Get the rock bass. Looks like more than 10.
You sure you were right with the clicker?
I think we're more than 10.
1, 2, 3,
No, maybe not.
7,
Maybe just 10.
9. You got 9.
I think I saw 10. It's 10.
And there's Rocco.
And Rocco.
I would have let him go, but he
I'm in a weird spot.
I went to the back of the fish. Good job. Spot on.
It's not jumping. Yeah, it's a snake. Which is still fun.
Oh yeah. No more Peru.
Oh. That sweeps up.
He's fighting. He doesn't want to come out of that water. None of them do. That's a good one. Good job.